National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hubbard County, southeastern Beltrami County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pinewood, or 14 miles northwest of Bemidji, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Bemidji, Wilton, 10 Strike, Lavinia, Turtle River, Solway, and Pinewood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.